Thinking about moving to Raleigh, North Carolina? Whether you're a family, a young professional, or relocating from Massachusetts or Rhode Island, Raleigh offers a welcoming mix of Southern charm, career opportunities, and affordable living. From urban condos downtown to spacious suburban homes in North Raleigh, Cary, and Apex, there's a neighborhood for every lifestyle. Downtown offers walkability, restaurants, and cultural events, while suburban areas boast parks, great schools, and family-friendly amenities. Raleigh's cost of living is generally lower than New England. Housing, utilities, and groceries are more affordable, and transportation is mostly car-oriented. Budgeting carefully for housing, utilities, and moving logistics will make your relocation smooth and predictable. The job market is strong, especially in tech, biotech, and education. Research Triangle Park and nearby universities create steady opportunities. Networking, online job boards, and local recruiters can help you land a position before you arrive. For your move, plan early. Professional movers, packing services, and climate-controlled storage can simplify long-distance relocations and protect your belongings. Start 6 to 8 weeks ahead, align housing and schools, and keep a clear checklist to reduce stress. Raleigh combines affordability, career potential, and quality neighborhoods. With careful planning and trusted moving services, your transition can be smooth and stress-free. Begin your Raleigh adventure today.